Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give you an update on Gaia GPS. They actually just came out with a 3D option for all their topographical maps. So this will allow you to look at all these historical maps and most of the other topographical maps in a whole different way. So let's dive right into it. So just a disclaimer guys, I'm not pressuring anyone into buying this app or anything. I just want to let you know that I am a Gaia GPS affiliate. I'm not asking you to buy this app or anything. I just want to let you know straight out of the gate, just to be honest. And if you do decide to buy it, it's $16 for basic membership and $32 for the premium membership, which saves you $8 for the premium and $4 for the basic. So honestly, when I got it, I bought it at the $32 price from another affiliate, and I've been more than happy with it. Just to let you know, the old maps are only on the premium membership, so if you're wanting to get the basic membership and the old maps, it will not work. So anyway, with that said, let's jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, so here's the Gaia GPS website. I decided to do this video over in Montana. I don't like to do any of my video tutorials near where I live, of course, because I don't really want to give away locations. So anyway, this is Lolo, Montana, in that area. So I've already got a place plotted out here, and I kind of chose this area here because of all the mountains and everything. It just gives you a better perspective, better view of the 3D version of these maps. So just really showcases how well it works. So before I get started guys, I just want to say if you like any of my my tutorial videos, or if you've seen my videos before, I'm going to put an info card in the top right hand corner where you can find all my tutorial videos on old maps and that kind of stuff. Super helpful. So alright, so to access the 3D version, you want to go on the bottom right hand corner and you'll see this 3D tab here. You want to click that, and that'll bring you into 3D mode. And me personally, I like to scroll all the way up to the top of this pitch adjustment here. It just I like this bird's eye view a lot better. It just makes everything stand out more, and you can kind of get a good idea of the how the lay of the land and everything. And so what you're going to want to do is hit Control, and you want to hold that down and move your mouse. You can move it side to side, and you can move it up and down to adjust the pitch, and you can use your scroll wheel on your mouse to move in and out. So I've already got a spot plotted out and a route to my waypoint here, and I just wanted to kind of see how that would look on the 3D map, and it looks pretty cool. I really like it. Let me show you how that works real fast if you're not familiar. So you got a house up here, so you want to click that and go all the way down to the road, and that'll give you a direct route and show you all the elevation up here. You can kind of go to this little box up here and point to any part of this elevation chart, and it'll show you on the main screen, that little dot right in the middle, show you where you are based on that elevation. I don't like to use that very much. It has its place, but I like to find the most direct route, so I'm going to cancel that. So first thing you want to do is go up to your layers, and you want to switch from the regular topo map all the way to your historic topo 1900 or 1930. Okay, and as you can see, I've got this little route plotted out. I've got my waypoint, I've got the route. So I've already done that. Let me go show you a new one, and I'll show you how that works on this. So yeah, say this little square up here, say I want to get to there. So what you want to do is go over to route and go down to the bottom box here. It's going to say going to show you hiking, cycling, driving, or straight line. So hiking and straight line are going to be basically the same feature. So cycling and driving are going to be the ones that are going to take you right to the modern road. So I'll just go driving. So then you want to click on that little square up there, and say you want to figure out the quickest route from this road right here up to that point. So you want to click that, and on the modern map, it's going to redirect you on the modern map underneath this layer here, and show you the most direct route from this point to that point. So you're going to want to save that. Okay, and then you're going to want to go over to layers and go over to your satellite with labels all the way to the very end, and then go minimize your historic topo 1900 map, and then you can see in purple it'll show you the most direct route to where you want to go to that spot. So I really like that feature. I think that's really cool to be able to do that on the old map, and especially with that 3D feature, it just kind of just really helpful to kind of visually see, like in a bird's eye view, the elevation of a particular spot, and yeah, it just adds a whole new element to finding old locations and stuff like that. So you hit Control here, and you can kind of play with your elevation and the view. So it's so cool to be able to do that. I'm really enjoying this feature. I'm really glad that they came out with this. They actually came out with this on my birthday, which is pretty cool. That was a nice gift. So anyway, guys, I think that's about all I can share with this. I mean, if you're already familiar with Gaia GPS, there's really nothing else new on this app right now. So hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video.